Hi, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe if you see this video. So today I want us to learn about solving linear equations using substitution method. I have a video. There are two ways of solving linear equations. We have elimination and substitution. So I have already tackled elimination. You can check, there is a video up there. So today I want us to look at substitution method. Okay, without further ado, let's do our first example, which is number 1. We have x minus 2y equals 6 and x plus 3y equals 16. Okay, now number one thing with substitution method is that you just pick one equation and make one unknown the subject of that equation. What do I mean? If I pick this equation, then I will say that I will make x the subject and say that x equals 16. When this 3y goes to the other side, it becomes a negative 3y, right? So what do I do next? I use the equation that I did not use, okay? So I will not use this one. I will use this, okay? Where there is x, I replace with this, okay? And I will say that 16 minus 3y, you subtract 2y equals 6, right? So negative 3y, negative 2y, that is 16 minus 5y equals what? Equals 6, right? So take this 16 to here and it will be a negative. So I will have negative 5y equals 6. You subtract 16, right? So negative 5y equals negative 10, right? Equals negative 10. So what will I do? I'll divide both sides by negative 5, okay? So the moment you divide with negative, it becomes positive. So by 5, 1, by 5, 1. Again, we have negative, will become positive. By 5, 1, by 5, 2. So you get that my y is what? Is 2. So when you get this y, you can replace it to any of the equation above here. So you can get your x. Assume we use the second equation. So we can say that x plus 3y, which is 2, equals 16, right? So x, open the bracket, plus 6 equals 16. So take this 6 to this other side, it becomes a negative. So x equals 16, you subtract 6, okay? So x equals 10, okay? And you might want to confirm if you are right. So if your x is 10 and y is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So 10 minus 4 is what? Is 6, right? That is how you confirm that you've gotten your right unknowns. So we go to our next example. So for our second example, example 2, we have 2a minus b equals 3. And then a plus b equals 9, okay? This one is quite straightforward. We can just use the second equation and we can say that our a equals 9 minus b. You take this b to this other side that it becomes a negative. So where there is a, replace with this, okay? So you say that 2 into bracket 9 minus b, close the bracket, minus b equals 3, okay? So open the bracket, 9 times 2, that is 18. You subtract b, negative b times 2, that is negative 2b. Then you subtract b is what? Is 3, okay? So negative 2b minus b, that is negative 3b. So you'll find that 18 minus 3b equals 3, okay? Take this 18 to this other side, it becomes a negative because this side it is a positive. So I will say that negative 3b equals 3, you subtract 18, okay? You'll find that 3 minus 18 is negative 15. So you find negative 3b equals negative 15, right? So you divide both sides by negative 3 and both sides by negative 3. Remember, I have already told you that when negatives divide negatives, it becomes a positive, right? So by negative becomes a positive, by 3, 1, by 3, 1. Positive, positive, by 3, 1, by 3, 5. So you get that your b is what? Your b is 5, okay? Use either equation to find your a. So we have said that a plus b, which is 5, equals 9, right? That means that a equals, take this 5 to this side here, 9 minus 5. So you'll find that your a equals 4, okay? You can replace even with this equation here, that 2a, which is 8, minus b, which is 5. 8 minus b is what? Is 3, okay? So in this equation, while a is 4, b is 5, okay? That's our second example. Let's go to a third example.